What's up guys, it's Bmx here, and today's video is going to be a bike check on my 2015 Kink Gap. So let's get right into it. To start off, my front tire is a Stranger Haze tire. It's a very good tire. It's a slick tire, but it has a really good grip. And the back tire, it's an Odyssey tire. I'm not positive what kind of tire it is, but I know it's an Odyssey obviously. I have fit chrome bars. I'm not sure what kind of bars they are. And I have ODI grips. I have a sealed mid 19mm bottom bracket. Both my rims are Mission Merlot rims. My front one and my back one. My seat is a Kink Chamberlain seat. I have Mission Impulse pedals. They're really good pedals. I would recommend them. I've had them for over a year and they're tore up, but they're still really good. I have a Mission Strout 4. It's the original 4. It's pretty good. I have obviously a Kink Gap frame. I'm not positive what kind of chain that is. I'm not positive what kind of stem this is. I think it's a bold cell 50mm stem, but I'm not positive. I have 3-piece Kink registered cranks. They're alright. I'm gonna get new cranks soon. They're not the best, but it's pretty good. That's gonna be it for my 2015 Kink Gap Bmx Check. Most of the bike is stock except for the tires, the bars, the grips, the chain, sprocket. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, comment down below. Give me some more video ideas, and that's gonna be it. Peace.